mòn đu mình ở tốt thò có lùm nữa cái mình cả tế nó sao mỏi lúc cầu liền đâu mình thì bây giờ y à mò là qua Halloween cho lên cho tụ nhiều và tôi muốn thọ con nó ít lúc chơi thôi lúc chơi có thì chứ lo gì đó lo gì lo Cheers.
Yeah, hi. More candy, sir. Mommy, to this one.
Really? Guys, you guys pretty. Wow. Wow. That's pretty scary. Wow. Look, look right there.
I actually like this house. Let's go.
Let's go, come
I
on.
like it. I like this house. Those lights hurt my eyes.
Really?
Lights. I hate getting seizures. Daddy, where's our car? Hey, Charlie, you're right. I need to tie our shoes first.
So wait, do you have fun?
Yeah.
That's pretty tight, huh?
Right here.
Let's go there. Wow. Fun?
Two people like my costume. Oh, yeah, duh. Yeah.
Your costume is a jelly bean. But it was a donut. But it's
Don't go over there. Where you guys gonna go?
over
That
here.
way? Okay, let's go.
Why are we following groups? We're not just followers. We're not followers and scavengers.
Huh?
Oh, that's a trash can. Dad, you know where the car is, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't know where the car is, I want to.
Okay.
But there would be the whole car goes.
Go in there.
What was I for?
Go in there. Look to see.
You're
To see what they get you.
oh my gosh.
Wow. You didn't say anything? You're supposed to say trick or treat.
That's what I said.
Say it really loud.
I just went there.
And when they give a treat to you, you say thank you.
No, you have to say trick or treat.
Are you okay?
Get it? Oh, shoot. Get it or shoot because your shoe's gonna fall off. Get it, Charlie? No, I don't.
Honey, it's by law. It's by law. Turn that off.
I can't even tell who this is. None of I
Okay.
feel like none of them are from those.
我太难了，没去走歇吧。就这样。天哪！ This is trick or treat.
Stop.
Hey, don't step on the grass.
Be careful, okay? Oh, be
Go.
careful. Style.
Whoa.
Do
Don't do that. This one time, when I was in kindergarten on Halloween, there was two balls that said pick one, and I had a candy in it, and I picked one.
Okay, that's a more thing. That's all. Mua ai ba gì đó. Okay, give it a little space for them to come through. Okay, go that one. Good. Come on, you okay to go? You okay to go? Go. Go. Okay, go. No, there's something that you ain't trying. You put the. Hi. Okay, yeah. Oh, look at him now. Look at it's pretty awesome.
Monitoring the site. We can go now, Dad.
Which one you want to go next? Okay. Let's go. Where's Cherish? She's ahead of. Okay, go that one. Nhiều thế chú nó rất là khó đồng nữa. Mò nó mà mò mình thích cái ý là mà mò nhiều là gì chấp lưới nữa. Nhiều mò vào rất là khó đồng rất là. Mò nó lấy thì đá mò nó nữa. Đó chỉ nhiều sắp nó đá mò là lấy chỉ hai nữa lấy chỗ tuần chi thôi.
Charlie got 3 compliments from people.
Really?
Charlie, if you get a 4th or 5th compliment, I'm gonna give you 2 free stuff. I'm gonna give you hot dogs in my awesome Mulan costume. I was like, thank you.
You like it?
No, you actually don't know any. One of them is a ninja.
Go.
I was like, yeah, boy.
Is it open? No, I guess not. I guess they're not open. It's okay, we'll come back. Yeah, let's see you.
Okay, come here, name inside.
Come on,
Come here. I think no more candy.
come on. No more candy.
No more candy.
No more candy. Come here.
Number 1 friended? Yeah, number 1 friend.
Hi, Daddy.
I can't run. I mean,
Okay, go this one.
Oh, yeah, this one. Sorry, I'm going this
Có chỉ một khăn lồng, nó sẽ cũng một khăn lồng nữa. Đó thì nhiều con xong là mù sẽ là cũng một khăn lồng trong này. Giờ là chỉ một khăn lồng gì là tỏ kia xem nào. Múa này. Múa là gì là tỏ khăn lồng là gì là chỉ tỏ rồi.
my face.
Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Let me record your face. I can't see your face.
Good for you. What's up, Dad?
Oh, my God.
We already went there, Richie. They're closed, sure. I don't think they're open.
Yeah, don't be too much. Tại vì con thì có nổ rồi chứ nào. Flag it, you know, across the street.
Trick or treat.
Anh này phải lo cái múa à? Là múa nào? think we do that.
Yeah, it's trending. Mama, you want to go another one? The one right there? You gotta keep on getting candy. You gotta
So which
keep on
one you
getting
wanna go?
kitties.
We all have the same amount.
Richie, this way, Richie.
That part over here, baby. Wait for me, you can't do it.
Oh,
Bây giờ mình cho thái thoảng.
không biết mùa. Đi cho nó phải.
Đây à?
Everything. And they were like, hey, you can't take all.
Where do you go? Cái thấy không? Cái bao giờ nó có lỗi dạ. You guys went that one already. Huh? Con mò mà những tròn tu hình nữa. Look. Chưa tao lo nè.
Dạ.
Là chỉ ra nè.
Do bằng.
Ra vào. Ra vào.
So really, the Mexicans are about to fall.
I don't think nobody's over there. Let's go over here.
Wait,
Oh, whoops.
let's go that way.
There's nobody over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go the other side.
That way?
Honey. Gotcha. Gotcha.
I thought they had more. I like this
No.
place.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Wow, okay. Pretty nice. Yeah, I'm just checking it out. It's good.
Look, I got
Thank you,
hands
thank you.
full.
Take pictures.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go take some pictures.
Okay.
Pictures?
I'm already recording you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, take a picture with me and Mama.
Look, I'm recording you guys. Hey, Richie.
Yeah,
Right
let's go
there.
take some pictures.
Good.
And me in the back of the picture.
You're like, oh,
You gotta have fun?
Dad, I want a house like that where it has the little porch thing. It looks so cool.
That's so
Alright, go.
just like
Keep going.
Oh, yeah, eat my candy.
If you could just
Can we go to this one?
Cheers. Careful. Slow down.
Okay. I don't like my wings. I don't want to wear it. I don't want to wear my wingies, Mommy. I don't want to wear my
we
wings.
went to that house, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we went to that house.
You guys did. Don't run.
Running
I gotta run.
Don't run. Don't run.
I thought you were doing it first.
She did it too.
Careful, okay? You're gonna drop your candy.
Whoa, my candy.
Okay, let's want to go this way? Get tighter. Especially lúc nào thách tao này thì là thì thách tao không biết bỏ.
You know, we all could have went. Ready? Now, ready in the hospital, lady?
Hey, đi đâu? Đâu thế sao?
Don't do it.
Oh, it's fun. Lily, you want to go inside?
No. Sure. I just feel like going. Kind of scared.
Sure.
I'm not trying.
Richie, you want to go inside? Why? Go, Richie, go. No scare. You want? Richie, you want me to go with you? Let's go. Let's everybody go, honey. Let's go.
I've seen that before too.
No scare. Mommy, come here. Mommy, come here. No scare. Yeah, Mama, bite on. No scare, okay? No scare, no scare, no scare. No scare, no scare. No scare. Uh-oh, look. Wow, that's very scary.
Don't be scared.
Ah, don't scare me! Oh my god. No scare. It's a giant. Okay. Oh my god, they chopped his head in there.
That was me.
Was that scary?
Nah.
Let's try this out.
Scary. That's only like
That's so
3
scary, huh?
scary stuff, right?
I only found one. That was a girl baby.
I actually touched
You said no stairs. So, you know, we're fine.
Touch it.
Good, no, not today. That was
Enter or dare? I would enter. Want to get in again?
Let's go.
I saw a pearl.
You want to go back in there and tell them to scare?
No. Let's go.
You're very brave.
Who's Pearl?
So you want to go in there?
No, we already went.
Okay. Let's go back then. Oh my god. Oh my god. Charlie, are we done?
Yep. No. No. No way. No how. Wait until it's morning. Then I can
Get
say
it.
good morning.
Go get this one.
Nobody's there.
There is someone in there.
Really?
I saw people go earlier.
Really?
Yeah, let's go. Go. Chúng ta sunshine.
Sunshine.
Sunshine nhỏ lắm ta. Giờ thì là hè mà hay là sunshine.
Dạ. Tôi hè của tôi chính là nè.
Bây giờ.
Dạ.
No scare, no scare. Thì trời quá là em biết tìm giặt vào. Be careful, be careful. Huh?
Mommy, I want to live in this neighborhood.
Yeah.
This neighborhood is the most friendliest neighborhood I ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, because all the other neighborhoods are like
Not too loud.
just take it like that, right? And then this neighborhood is much better because they just give us the stuff we want.
We don't want to get shot. Is anybody in here?
Get shot.
There's nobody, only ghosts.
Get shot.
Go knock the door.
Get shot.
Yeah, go. There's a light there, so. You got another candy. Thank you. This one.
Because guess what?
This one. Huh? How about that one?
Daddy, can you hold this? I don't want to hold it. I don't want
No,
to
you
wait.
need that.
Let me check. Oh yeah, go check. But I think they don't have the light in the door, baby. They don't have it. Yeah, I got the zero.
You know the best thing is when you don't have your candy, there was like Lily, on Tim Bastion. Let me show what. Be quiet.
Hey, you gotta be good.
Nice design, Sarah. We thought it the other way was the door.
Oh, my eyes. Man, these people are sure like going all out on these designs, man.
How about that one, Charlie?
Nah, that's too far.
Go over there, right there.
Let's go, we're not lazy.
Just right there.
Mine. Too far. Daddy making me do an extra mile. Exercising. Mask off. I like big. Somebody was saying mask off.
go.
I like big
Go.
6-year-olds and I cannot.
Let's go there.
And Jerry can see
Over
me.
here. You're the wrong side. It's over here.
It's over here, guys.
Ah, get close.
Is it here or there? I think that side.
I got
I
two.
think the other side.
Ah.
Yeah, I think over here.
Yeah, oh yeah, Lily.
Oh, this is scary.
Is it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wrong way.
Is it wrong way?
Yeah, wrong way.
Wrong way.
Wrong way.
They keep out.
What? What was that? What did you guys see?
There
ghost.
was nothing over there except for something.
Nothing there.
What was that?
It's like a ghost.
Oh, I know.
Hey, maybe this side, Charlie.
I don't
It's
know.
this side right here.
Wait, wait, goodbye. Nothing over here. That was scary. What's over there?
Is that the door? What's the door at?
What's over there?
There's no door.
Is there a door? Yeah, but look at chị tính nó nè, nó mấy kẻ.
No, chị thấy con mình tự thay tôi đốt bọc kìa.
Nó, ở đâu này kia lấp trong này nó ra. Ok, lúc nó sẽ ra.
Thì nó thử có gì hả cơ?
Nó có thích tao nhé à, đi chết
No,
tớ
go back. Có gì thay đổi à? Thay đổi gì bỏ có xuống nè. Nè.
Này đâu nó nè.
Oh, okay, I think I know why.
No,
Charlie, that was good, right?
Oh, you were scared of
no, I went first. No, Lily went first. I went first out of the fight.
You were scared of the whole thing. You're like, no.
Hurry, go inside. Go
Sing in the middle.
Whoa, that's so scary.
Honey, cái chim sát à?
Hey, you stop
Honey,
fighting.
cái chim sát cái sao?
You try that.
Không sao hả?
You got it to be good. You got away fighting. You didn't go away.